What's up, Tech Insiders? GadInsider here, and Amazon just made a massive move acquiring Bee, the AI wearable startup. This $50 wristband is your personal AI companion, and it's shaking up the tech world. Let's dive into what this means. Forget Alexa at home. Bee's AI listens to your life, builds reminders, and acts like a trusted sidekick. Stick around to see how Amazon's betting big on wearable AI and what's next. Amazon's acquisition of Bee, announced by co-founder Maria Dolores Zolo on LinkedIn, is a game changer. Bee's $50 wristband, £39.99 in the UK with a £15 monthly subscription, listens to your conversations, creating to-do lists and reminders. It's like a Fitbit for your brain, designed to be a trusted companion with personal ambient AI. Bee's not stopping at wristbands though. They're working on a cloud phone to sync your accounts and notifications for seamless organization. This is Amazon's bold step into wearable AI, moving beyond Echo speakers to rival Meta's AI smart glasses and OpenAI's hardware projects. Now let's talk privacy. Bee's policy says no audio stored or used for AI training, and users can delete data anytime. They're even developing features to pause recording based on location or topic, but Amazon's track record with Ring's data sharing raises questions. Will Bee's privacy promises hold post-acquisition? Amazon's not alone. Meta, OpenAI, and even Apple are jumping into AI wearables. With Bee's team joining Amazon, this acquisition signals a big push to dominate the next wave of personal tech. The wearable AI race is on. So, would you wear Bee's AI wristband? Are privacy concerns a deal breaker? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.